Hey guys, it's Liam from Killer Inc, and today I'm going to be showing you the Vlad Blad Avenger. The Vlad Blad Avenger is a hybrid rotary machine that is compatible with both standard tattoo needles and cartridges and easily handles any tattooing style. So let's take a look. After years of constantly improving its rotaries, Vlad Blad has now created a tattoo machine with the reliability of its coil offerings, with the usability and lower weight of a rotary. Although it may not be one of Earth's mightiest heroes, the Avenger is a fast, versatile rotary for those who like classic style machines, yet want to work with both standard tattoo needles and cartridges. Vlad Blad has designed the Avenger in such a way that you don't need to readjust it when you switch between needles and cartridges during a tattoo session. Thanks to the mechanism within, you are able to start and work at just 2 to 2.5 volts. It also features a 7-watt motor that is 3 times smaller but more powerful than the older version, and is able to push up to a 50 Magnum. The Vlad Blad Avenger has a stroke length of 3.6mm, however, thanks to the shock absorbers that are integrated in the connecting rod, and by combining different needles and cartridges, you can work softly as if it had a 3.3mm stroke, or get the sharper hit of a 4.1mm machine. Vlad Blad has fitted the Avenger with its own Super Jaws tube vise, which is a reinvented tube vise that features a slot on the front and a guillotine inside. It's easy to thread the needle into the vise, and it will clamp tubes tightly and evenly without breaking disposable plastic grips. Depending on what you're tattooing, we recommend the following working voltages: 4 to 7.5 volts for thin outlines, 5 to 9 for thick lines, between 4.5 and 7.5 volts for black and grey work, 6.5 to 9 for colour realism, 4 to 9 for colour packing and whip shading, and 3 to 7 volts for dot work. Designed in Russia, the Vlad Blad Avenger is available to order from Killer Inc via the link in the description below. So now that you've seen the Avenger, what are your thoughts on the rotary? Will you be picking one up for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.